Hi, I'm Tina and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time that you are visiting here. Thank you so much for stopping in and I hope you enjoy your stay here with me today. I am going to be unboxing my Jane's Agenda subscription box and I am really intrigued to see what this box is going to have in it because her subscription boxes came out, I'm trying to remember exactly when they came out, but they were like, I feel like they were late summer going into fall, and they have been very seasonal. I'm really intrigued to see what we're going to be having in this particular box because this is going to be starting for like January. All right, let's get into it. Let's open it up. All I've done is just cut the box open itself. And her boxes are really cute. They come with this really cute inside panel that says hello. I really like that. And this is new. Generally there's like some tissue in here. So this is a little bit different type of packaging. So it looks like everything is in this paper little bag. So let me get rid of the box. All right, so now last month's box also came in a bag, a decorative bag. So this is really cute. I like the way she has everything in here. So of course it has her sticker. So let's just go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. True reaction here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna move everything to the side and find the description card for this box and then go through each item with you individually. All right, so I wanted to bring it in a little closer here and I found the January box tour card. So it's got everything itemized here. There are 13 items in this box and I'm just gonna go through things in the order that they're listed on here. So I'm gonna find them and then share them with you. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. All right, now with her boxes, she will sometimes group things together when she packages them, which I'm totally fine with. But since I'm sharing the items with you, I'm just gonna like unpackage everything here and go through the items. But I just wanted you to be aware that that's how she does package things. So, oh my God, these are monthly dividers and I am in love. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Look at how beautiful that is. I am in love with the color palettes. It's so pretty. All right, so the monthly dividers are numbered and oh my God, they're beautiful. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. And then look at number 2 for February, of course, with the script on there. Like, oh, I'm loving this. And look at this, the marble. Oh my God, that's so pretty. So, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow, I love that. Love that. We've got some more roses here. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. And I love her dividers because they are double-sided. So it looks like it repeats here. So let's see, it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, we've got 4 patterns that just repeat. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous though, like really, really beautiful. And then of course the last 4 patterns for the remainder of the year. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And honestly, like, I don't even know. I love these. These are gorgeous. But like, I like to have my months labeled here. So, you know, I cannot like not use these. Honestly, I probably would trim this down. I love the patterns, but I don't think I'm going to be using these the way that they were intended. I might keep them as tabs and then just put like something on top of them. That's another idea. Just put some stickers there. Ooh, I think I like this. this. I think I just came up with an idea on how I want to use these, because I mean the pattern and the colors, I'm like gaga over them. They're beautiful. They're just stunning. But I know I'm not going to use them the way that they were like intended to be used, but I definitely am going to use them. All right, now we have a goals insert, and ooh, that is right here. I'm loving this. Okay, let's see. I'm liking what I see so far. Okay. The best goals are SMART goals. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. I like that. So look at SMART: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. I love this. I love it. And then it's got questions and prompts, so to really help you. Oh, I love this. Okay, oh my gosh, let's see. How to use our goal worksheets. These are awesome. Look at this. Long-term goal, starting point, a deadline, phase 1, 2, and 3. And then there's notes on the back. All right, so there's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So there's 4 sheets here, which I feel, I mean, that's awesome, because I don't know about you, but I feel like you set like all of these goals and they are like a lot all at once. So I really like that this is like, gives you some really amazing prompts. I'm like super motivated. I really like that. All right, now we've got some finance inserts. All right, so here are the finance inserts, and it starts off with this dashboard cover page. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life. All right, then we have all of this, like how to use these pages, and there is a lot of information on here. I'm not going to read that all over, but just to show you like everything that's in here. There's a bill tracker, and that is horizontal. So reoccurring monthly bills and minimum payments, the day due, the amount if it's on auto pay. Ooh, and then check off whether those have been paid, I'm assuming. Then on this side, we've got sinking funds, item to save for, date needed. Wow, this is awesome. Long-term savings. I'm not going to go through each and every. This is very detailed. Wow, this is awesome. Now this is a debt tracker. So this has listed like your debt, your interest rate, and then the month, January through June. And then we've got on the back side the remainder of the year. And then now we have monthly that are undated. And oh my goodness, on the back is the monthly financial audit. Okay, so you really just, wow, these are awesome. Like these are very detailed, and there's one here for like, I bet you there's like a whole year's here. Yeah, definitely. Wow. And then this last page is the review page. So it's got like all of the prompts here, and then your January through June, and then your July through December. Wow. So this is really detailed, and this is awesome. What a great way to like start off your year and really, you know, set this up. And this is pretty cool. I really like that. Awesome idea. All right, now we have a square adhesive pocket. And I absolutely love these adhesive pockets. I just have them like everywhere. So if you are not familiar with these, they are adhesive on the one side, and then you can just put them wherever you like. And then it does have like the little pocket opening here. And then we've got a gray mild liner. I love this color, mild liner. And with the mild liner, you've got like a bold side, which has got the thicker tip here, and then you've got a fine side. And this is obviously, if you're not familiar with these. I love the mild liners. All right, now this is one of the first things I saw when I opened this up, and these are these adorable rose paper clips. There are 2 of them. These are so cute. She always includes these really cute decorative paper clips, and these are, oh my gosh, I really like these. Oh, look at that. So there's a black one, so cute, and then a white one. Oh my gosh. I like that these are a little bit thicker. So pretty, so pretty. And then we've got some quote cards. So there are 3 quote cards. So let me find, oh my God, I love these. I like love the size, and oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at this, grow with the flow. Make time for planning. Wars are won in the general's tent. Excuse me while I succeed. Love it. Love the colors. Oh my goodness, so, so pretty. Okay, and now there's a passwords booklet, and that's this one right here in this plaid with the same color tones. I kind of like the little booklet idea. Okay, so let's see. We've got account, username, and password. And that's what's in the whole book. So pretty cool. So you don't have to like carry this around with you. If you don't want to carry your passwords around with you, then this is a great idea. This, I'm so excited. Marble sticky notes. Look at how pretty. Okay, I just love the marble in here because it's got like kind of like a beigey color tone to it. Look at those. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I love them. Really, really pretty. So, so cute. All right, now we've got a non-laminate vellum dashboard with quote. And this is this one right here. Never look back, darling. It distracts from the now. This is so perfect. I love it. I really love it. This is going to be great going into the new year because we have, of course, all had just a very trying 2020, and some more than others, but you know, some circumstances are different than others. This is perfect. So the very last thing that is in the box is what is on the back of this card, and this is a journaling card, and has a quote here that says, "There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind," by C.S. Lewis. So really, really pretty. I am in love with this color scheme. Oh my goodness, so many beautiful things in here. All right, so this is an absolutely stunning subscription box. I was not really sure what type of items I'd be getting because her subscription boxes have been very seasonal. So I really wasn't quite sure like what she was going to give us, but I love the items that she has included for us. They are great items for us to start the new year. I'm really excited about this goals inserts that she included. The finance inserts are awesome. I'm going to like read up about those. I do actually already have a budget planner set to start using in 2021, but These are really nice. So I don't know. I'm going to do a little like, a little bit more, check it out. Maybe I'll switch it up. I don't know. We'll see. I like that it's undated so you can use it whenever. So that's amazing. These tabbed dashboards are absolutely stunning. I am in love with the colors. I mean, the color palette in this sub box it's beautiful. It's neutral. You could put it in any planner. And I absolutely love that because then you can use it whenever you want. I really do enjoy the seasonal items, but this is really beautiful. I mean, I just really, really like this. So I'm pretty excited about using these. I am not going to be using them the way that she has intended, where they're numbered for each of the months. I have something already set up for my monthly tabs, but I am in love with just the print on there. So we'll see how I actually end up using them, but I'm definitely going to incorporate them into my planner because they're absolutely beautiful. The password booklet, I'll probably end up passing that on to somebody else because I already have a password system set up for myself. I am loving these cards. Love the size. I love the color. I love the cut. They're beautiful. The marble sticky notes, gorgeous. These are super cute. So I am really excited about everything that came in this subscription box. And yeah, I just love her stuff. So if you want to see more of Jane's Agenda's items, I do have a link down below. So make sure that you go and check out her shop. And there's also a discount that I have attached to that. So be sure that you go through there so that way you can receive an additional discount. It's such a busy day, and then this came in, and I'm just really, really excited to like share it all with you and open it up and see what came in. So I just been really, really excited to do these with you. So I hope that you really enjoyed this, and be sure to be subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell, that way you will be alerted to when my videos post. I do try to post regularly, but sometimes I will put additional videos out depending on what comes in throughout the week. If you want to see further content, I am on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan. So please, if you are on Instagram, you can follow me there as well. And if you prefer Facebook, I do have a page on Facebook. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.